I'm Sienna Bose. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about indices. We will start a new chapter from today, just indices. Now we can take a look at our sum. If a to the power minus 1 into b squared by a squared into b to the power minus 4 whole to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of a cubed into b to the power minus 5 by a to the power minus 2 into b cubed whole to the power of minus 5 is equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q, then find p and q. Now, it may be difficult to process, so first let us process what is written here, and then we will move on to solving this. So let's start. Let's copy this down firstly. B squared by a squared, b to the power minus 4, whole to the power of 7, divided by a to the power of 3, b to the power minus 5, by a to the power minus 2, into b cubed, whole to the power of minus 5, equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q. Now over here we will use quite a number of formulae, which means we have discussed about those when we did sums and logarithms as well, but it's just a recap. So let's see. Implies that we can write this as b to the power of 2 minus 4 and a to the power of 2 minus 1, because if it's like x to the power of m by x to the power of n, it is equal to x to the power of m minus n. So keeping that in mind, we get this whole to the power of 7. But here we should use the second bracket. To the power of 7 divided by this. Now again, working over here, we get, let's see, a to the power of 3 minus 2, and over here we get b to the power of 3 minus 5. Then whole to the power of minus 5, then equal to a to the power of b into b to the power of q. Now this looks really messy, but it's all going to get simplified in just a second now. So we can write this as b to the power of 6 because it's ultimately minus and minus gives us plus. So 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 1. Ultimately it gives us b to the power of 6 by a to the power of 3 whole to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of 5 by b to the power of 8 whole to the power of minus 5 equal to a to the power of b into b to the power of q. That's supposed to be q, not a. And as I said, it would get much easier now. Now we can write this. If it's like, again, if it's x to the power of m by x to the power of n whole to the power of a, let's say, then, if it's like, not considering this, we will consider it a different way. If it's like m by n whole to the power of x, it is equal to m to the power of x by n to the power of x. And we are going to do the exact same thing over here. Implies that over here, b to the power of 6 whole to the power of 7 by a to the power of 3 whole to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of 5 whole to the power of minus 5 and b to the power of 8 whole to the power of minus 5 equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q. again, we will refer to another property. If it's like x to the power of m whole to the power of n, it's equal to x to the power of mn. Then over here we will get b to the power of 42. 6 sevenths are 42. We know that really well. A to the power of 21, 3 to 7, divided by, over here, 5 into minus 5 gives us minus 25, so a to the power minus 25. And 8 into minus 5 gives us minus 40, so a to the power minus 25 by b to the power minus 40 is equal to a to the power b, a to the power p into b to the power of q. So you can take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of our sum, where we left off. So we stopped here. Now, reciprocal, we will change it to the multiplication sign, implies that b to the power of 42 by a to the power of 21 into b to the power minus 40 by a to the power minus 25 equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q. We know that if it's like x to the power of m into x to the power of n, it is equal to x to the power of m plus n. Keeping this in mind, we get, implies that b to the power of 42 plus minus 40 and a to the power of 21 plus minus 25 equal to a to the power of b, a to the power of p into b to the power of q. Now it's 42 minus 40, which is 2. B squared by 21 minus 25, which is minus 4. A to the power minus 4 equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q. Implies that we can write actually, if I think in that way, b squared into 1 by a to the power minus 4. Now a to the power minus 4 is actually 1 by a to the power minus 4 is a by 4. If I do like this, say b squared then into a to the power of minus 4. Actually, it's like that only. Because if we think like a to the power 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power minus n. So if you think in that way, then it's like this. But here it's a to the power minus 4. 1 by a to the power minus 4. That means it's actually a to the power minus 4 equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q, which implies that a to the power of 4 into b squared is equal to a to the power of p into b to the power of q, which implies that p equals 4 and q equals 2. Therefore, p equals 4 and q equal to 2. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.